Which way to go? Which way to go? Revere. Find him. Revere. Find him. Give that 28. Find him. Here. 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 Find him. Revere. Revere. No, Fooey. Leave it. Revere. Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, come here. I got something in this boat. I don't know if it's an animal or what. Do you see somebody run through here? Better come out. No. You didn't see anybody run through here? Follow. Follow. Okay, now, well, what's that 28 return to?
Here fell out for a reason.
Yeah, this girl over here, the young one, was sitting in the backyard on the phone.
Backyard. She was in that car. Alright, time for you to stop lying. Time for you to stop lying right now and start talking.
The people that live here already said they don't know you. You don't live here. You don't live with any of the neighbors. So
That's why you're in the back of the yard.
Who's here?
I guess she was driving.
No, I wasn't. I was not driving. I was not driving.
You can either give us a name or you can go down for everything.
I don't know his last name.
You do.
I don't. I just know.
And you're going to take the ride for it. So who is it?
It's like Nick.
Nick what? Keep going. Where's he live?
He doesn't have a home.
He doesn't have a home.
No.
So he just left you behind in the backyard, or is he hiding back there somewhere?
You guys need to look. I don't know where
I'm asking you. You were back there. You saw where he went. Because I'm going to get a warrant for your phone. I'm going to get everything out of it. So, you want to start talking?
his name.
Come on, get going.
I'm trying to think of the name because the name on Facebook is different.
So you don't belong here.
You don't belong here?
No.
You want to go check with me? She's in the car. She's hiding in the back here. They don't know who this is. She's claiming she lives here.
Somebody come in here, black shirt or dark blue shirt?
Like a dark blue shirt, white guy, white hat, buzz cut.
They just a few minutes ago. So
Somebody
dropped him off out here and thought he
10, 15-ish minutes ago.
Somebody did get dropped off, but they walked that way.
They went walking north side.
Advice, took off northbound from here.
He's running north.
Westbound, just now making it to Lawndale.
Got him on Lawndale.
Keep down, you're behind the house next to you, on your behind the truck. Behind the truck.
Get out of there. Get, I will tase you. Get on the ground.
Right now!
I will throw
Get
you
on
some.
your back! Get on your belly! Get on your belly right now! Hands on your back! Do it now!
Straight upwards after.